Assalamualaikum student. In this video we will discuss 30 most repeated PPSC MCQs about rivers of the world. First MCQ है the longest river in the world is correct option Nile River. Next MCQ है which river flows through the Grand Canyon? Correct option Colorado River. Next MCQ है the Amazon River is located in correct option South America. Next MCQs है the river Danube passes through how many countries? Correct option 11. Next MCQs है which river is sacred in Hinduism? Correct option Ganges. Next MCQs है the river Thames flows through correct option England. Next MCQs है the Blue and White Nile meet in correct option Sudan. Next MCQ है which river flows through Paris? Correct option Seine River. Next MCQ है which is the largest river in Europe by volume? Correct option Volga River. Next MCQ है the river Congo is located in correct option Africa. Next MCQ है the Mississippi River is in correct option USA. Next MCQ है River Tigris and Euphrates are found in correct option Iraq. Next MCQ है the Yangtze River flows in correct option China. Next MCQ है the Mackenzie River is in correct option Canada. Next MCQ है which river is known as the sorrow of China? Correct option Yellow River. Next MCQ है what is the main river of Pakistan? Correct option Indus. Next MCQ है which river form the boundary between Mexico and the USA? Correct option Rio Grande. Next MCQ है which river flows through Rome? Correct option Tiber River. Next MCQ है the Lena River flows in correct option Russia. Next MCQ है the Murray River is located in correct option Australia. Next MCQ है which river flows through Baghdad? Correct option Tigris. Next MCQ है the Jordan River is located between correct option Jordan and Israel. Next MCQ है the Rhine River flows through correct option Germany. Next MCQs the river which flows into the Dead Sea is correct option Jordan. Next MCQ है which river form a delta in Bangladesh? Correct option all of these. Next MCQ है the Amazon River empties into the correct option Atlantic Ocean. Next MCQ है the river that flows through Budapest is correct option Danube River. Next MCQ है which is the second longest river in the world? Correct option Amazon. Next MCQ है which river is called lifeline of Egypt? Correct option Nile. Next MCQ है the river Indus originate from correct option Tibet.